Well, we did some adjustment. They did some adjustment also. We just have to figure it out game 3. So, yun. So, kailangan namin kailangan namin sila ma-figure out.
Pero how tough was it na na wala kang karelyebo?
No, ang galing ng ginawa ng context na disrupt nila yung offense namin. Talaga kahit anong adjustment namin, may adjustment din yung defense nila. Towards the end, di rin kami makastop. Di namin ma-stop yung nila, yung offense nila, high ball screen. So, ayun.
What do you think you need to do to at least be more competitive?
Siguro i-review namin yung game. Mga coaches, mga coaching staff, coach team for sure mag-a-adjust sila. So ayun, kailangan namin ayun, tignan yung kung ano yung pwede namin gawin bukas. So sa practice. Ay.
That's may sense of urgency na ba na
Yeah, di namin pwedeng malamangan kami ng malamangan sa series. So, we're down 2-0. Like what I said, game 3 kailangan na namin ma-figure out yung so,